Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of those buff Chipotle flavored Bison sticks. So there you go. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. There's the ingredients. I did a review of their original, and it was actually pretty good. So I'm going to try the Chipotle flavor. So let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what they look like. They're really lean, and this one has some heat. It tastes like those Slim Jim pepperoni sticks, but leaner. And this one's ooh, it's got some sweet spice to it. Otherwise, it tastes like their original, but it's got some kick to it. So definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments below, subscribe to the channel. Which one do I prefer? I like the original because, yes, I can't really handle too much spice, but it's not too hot, but I prefer the original. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos.